Thanks, dude, but
She's done.
trying to lay low for a bit.
You get to be your own boss because, you're a boss, girl.
Yes, she is.
Let me think about it.
No, darling. Don't go back.
To the next episode, then.
Oh, that's a meta reference, for the viewers, for the show. Like I said, she's saying goodbye right now to the show with this episode. She's not really saying goodbye to Elliot, to all of that. I'm not fully believing in that.
Tom?
What? Who?
How the hell are you? When they signed you a cop. Thinking.
I'm speechless.
Yeah, the book's flying off the shelves. It's the real stocking stuff. In fact, that's what I'm doing here. I got a little book to a stop. What? I heard you.
I disobeyed orders and killed my handler.
He doesn't care anymore.
Well, word around camp is they don't care about you two no more. They picked up and skedaddled off to something more important.
Well, where?
What?
That I can't tell you. Now, look, I'm telling you, the Dark Army is not something you need to worry about no more. This was nice.
Not really.
I'm gonna go.
I'm not sure of the message of that.
She's
For sure, the Dark Army doesn't care about the two of them anymore, but because of what, they are doing what, and why
Take it easy, Tom.
are you there, you? To tell her that, or just to show us also that every one of them is just continuing their lives and doing things?
I don't get it.
Me neither.
Where did the Dark Army go? I don't know, you wouldn't tell me. All I know is we don't have to run anymore.
So you don't have to take this plane or take that identity anymore? That's it?
Yeah, but we're here. Might as well still go. I've heard Budapest is pretty dope.
Are you really gonna go? I mean, the two of you,
Where's your brother?
not there.
He's not coming with us. And catch the next flight out.
No, he's not.
Wait,
She's not gonna go with you.
I can't do this. Can't do what? You convinced me to come because the Dark Army was a threat. Now they're not. Do you even really want to go to Budapest anyway?
I think she
You said
does.
it yourself. This was Cisco's dream, not yours. I can't go.
To that place or just with her?
But you said you would.
You're hurting me,
You
really?
don't need me to come with you. Whatever your brother's actually up to. You don't need him either. No, I can't handle shit solo, Dom. You've seen me.
You're afraid of that, darling, but you
I
can.
panic attack. I'm no good on my own. I've tried.
You're gonna be, darling.
I'm sorry.
Me too!
You've got responsibilities here. I can't.
I mean, the two of them running away together, it was so great, but it was not realistic.
That's what this is about? You know your family is safe. Your job is on hold. Jesus, no wonder you can't sleep. You hold on to a lot and you hold on fucking tight. Maybe running away might actually help you. Running away to Budapest will help me. You leave this airport, you're just gonna go back to the grind like everyone else. Talking about giving yourself a break.
The two of you need
Finally let
to
it
get
go.
yourself a break, but maybe not together. That's a final goodbye for them also.
Send me a postcard, please.
We're saying goodbye to David. That's it.
I wrote down the number of a friend of mine. He works at US Cyber Command. Your bright ideas for me to be some pig. When you're ready to grow up. We need you. I can't handle me.
Also. The music, ready? That's really the final episode for Darwin.
We'd like to invite those passengers traveling small children and any
Is she?
Yes.
Are you gonna do it or not? darling. I'm like, it's too good to be true for Mr. Robot for this show. Please meet. Take the same oil, take the same path, meet. No. You can't do that. No. Don't do that to me. Don't. They're killing me.
Excuse me, are you okay?
No. Dumb. She's not here. Yes, please.
Ma'am, are you missing something?
Someone.
No, I'm good.
Fuck you. I said that it was too good to be true. Why did I buy it? I knew it. Why did I buy it? She had a panic attack. But she's gonna deal with it because she can deal with it alone.
Did your fighter just call? Yeah.
Go. Please go.
I'm not going.
What the fuck?
I'm sure.
I know what the message of this end is. Don't go in the comments and don't tell me that I understood nothing, that I'm stupid. I know. But still...
I can take care of myself.
Yes, you can, darling. I'm so proud of you. She succeeded with the hack, with getting all of them the money. She's succeeding with taking care of herself all alone, without anyone. And right there, Dom succeeded finally to sleep, to have some rest. I've got it! I've got the message, really. I've got it, but still, you can't almost give us what we wanted, you know, the ship. Of course, we were shipping them together. You are almost giving us that, and in fact, you are not giving us that. And of course, it's also a great end, and of course, it's almost better because now both of them, they are in a good place and they are taking care of herself by themselves, and it's really great. But still, they've got me. I'm fuck. But you know, it's great because of that end, I'm almost forgetting that we just said goodbye to them. We just said goodbye to Darlene and to them. That's it. I think so. Even if you know what Leon said about seeing Darlene in the next episode, can it be... I know that it was a meta reference, you know, for the show, for... Yes, it was a meta reference, but can it be possible that we're gonna see her on the next episode? I don't know. But for them, that was the end. That was the real end of them. We said goodbye to them right there. Even if you know it was the end also for Darlene, I'm still like, it was not really the end. Like, it's the end for the show, but she's gonna see her brother again. Come on, they are brothers and sisters. And she's gonna hack again something. She's gonna continue to do that. She said it, and Leon proposed her to give her some jobs about that, to help her finding some jobs about that, and Dom gave her, you know, that telephone, that thing for working, in fact, for the government. So she's gonna come back to the axe, and she's gonna come back to her brother at some point. So it's not a real goodbye for Darlene. In the show, maybe, yes. I'm still not sure of that because of that meta reference, but if it was the end for her into the show, it's not the end for her and Elliot, for her and hacking stuff. No. I really want to see myself, you know, when I'm gonna edit the video. I know that I'm gonna lose at myself being so excited and so into it and so disappointed when it It's not happening. Oh, again, it's too shiny. I know that this end is even better for Darlene because she can take care of herself now. She's still into US. She can, maybe, yes, she can help Elliot again. She can do act stuff again. She can find her own way, you know, her own path. I know all of that. And I know that it's even better also for Dom. She's not running away, you know, she's beginning a new life with a new personality, not personality, but a new name. And we saw her, you know, trying to find a new job for that new name. And we can see that she's almost happy, not happy, but she's okay with that. So I know that it's even better for her also to be without any worries. She's not worried about her family anymore, not about her job, not about Darlene. She doesn't have anything or anyone to worry about, and that's why she's finally sleeping well into that plane. So I know that it's a good end for both of the characters. I know that it's a good way of saying goodbye to them, to both of them. But still, they almost gave it to us, you know, the two of them together. And it was on purpose, you know, with the music, you know, the romantic music, with the romantic move of them running like that to find Earth. Of course we were gonna believe into that for some seconds, of course, because we are used to that, you know, with romantic movies and stuff like that. And it's fitting, you know, with the Christmas theme of this entire season. The producer said it, this entire season is built with a Christmas theme, and I said it since the beginning of the season. Each episode is written in a different way, which is fitting with that Christmas theme. That's why we had a Mr. Scrooge fairy tale episode with Tyrell. That's why also we had movies references, you know, with Die Hard and all of that with the No Talking episode. That's why also we had old movies references episode, you know, when Elliot learned all of that stuff about Mr. Robot. And that's why right there we are having a romantic Christmas movies references episode also. It's killing me. It's killing me because I know all of that. I can analyze that, you know, when they were doing that on screen, when we had, you know, the romantic move with the romantic musics and all of that, I knew it, you know, I knew that they were doing that. And I knew that it was too good to be true. I think that I even said it, you know, but still, I believed it, you know. I fall into that trap because I wanted to fall into that trap. I wanted to believe it. I wanted that to be true. Again, if you are going on the comments and if you are saying to me that I'm stupid and that I believed into it and that it was obvious that they were not going to do that and that this end is even better and the message of this end is even better, if you are doing that, I'm really not gonna respond to you. I'm really gonna ignore you, but really, you have to know it. When I'm gonna read that comment, I'm gonna be like I can't roll my eyes enough. I've got it, really, I've got it, I know it. But still, I can't help myself but being a little disappointed and a little sad for them, for this ship that I had. Yes, I was shipping them, of course I was shipping them, like you were not shipping them. I was. It's so sweet, you know, for Elliot to give her that win, you know, about the Deus group, about that money. That was really a sweet move. So now we have 3 episodes left and it's gonna be all about Elliot. I'm a little sad that we didn't have a real discussion between Darlene and Elliot about Mr. Robot. I thought that we were gonna have that discussion. So maybe that's why this is not the real end of Darlene? I don't know. We'll see about that. And again, if it was the real end of Darlene, I'm okay with that. It was a good one. You know, the entire episode was about her, so of course it was a good one. So yes, now we have only Elliot to deal with. Only Elliot, you know. 3 episodes to know this thing about the first personality, if my theory is the good one or not. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go back to the intro to see what White Rose Project was really. We saw a little bit of it, you know, with what Elliot was reading, but I didn't get it a lot. I saw something about 2 experiments, and it was in Washington Township or in Township of Washington. I don't know how to put that, you know, but I didn't see a lot of it. So I don't know. So yes, we have the White Rose Project, we have the thing about the first personality and that poor boy who didn't wake up since a long time. Again, I have my theory about that, go back into the intro. About Tyrell, of course, that thing about Tyrell, and of course about Elliot and Mr. Robot. I think that we have to finish with them. With the 2 of them. That was a great episode. Darlene deserved, you know, a full episode about her, just about her. She deserved it. She deserved, you know, a resolution, you know, for her character, for the evolution of her character. Finally, she's taking care about herself. Finally, she's taking decisions about herself, not about the other ones. She's not thinking about the other ones when she's choosing to not go into that flight. She's succeeding, she's a boss, like Leon said. I'm proud of her. For all of that, for all of her journey, the evolution of her character is so great during all of these seasons, and of course during that final season. I'm proud of her. Yes, that was a great episode. Tell me, what did you think about it? What did you think about that episode? If you were like me or not, if you fell into that trap or not, you know. I'm not ashamed of the fact that I fell into it, you know. I knew that it was too good to be true, but I wanted to believe in it. They've got me. They've got me. Well done. You did your Christmas movies, romantic movies, references episode. Great, you've got me. Good job with that. Okay, so it's all for Mr. Robot for today, for you and for me. So it's all for me for now. So bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Crazy.